Today we are going to do our beginners friendly love shape. Beginners friendly love shape. This is one that I've done off camera, but let's do it together. First of all, we are going to pick 4 beads. I want to mix the color since it's beginners friendly. Pick 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross it with 1 like this. You have your 4 beads. Pick another 4 beads. Put 3 beads, 1 bead fishing line by your right, then pick 1 bead into fishing line by your left, then cross it with 1 bead. Cross it with 1 bead. You have 4 beads. You put another one. This is row 1, row 2, because I number it 1, 2 up to 20, so we'll be numbering it since it's beginners friendly. Then pick 1 bead by your right, 1 bead by your left, then cross it with 1 bead. We have made row 3. This is, remember our numbers 1, 2, 3. Remember our numbers, we number it 1 to 3 up to 20. Pick 4 beads, 3 beads. We make a roll of 4. 1 bead fishing line by your right, then 1 bead into fishing line by your left, then cross it with 1 fishing line. We have make a roll of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the roll of 5. We are picking 3 beads, 2 beads, because we are making a roll of 4, so we are picking 2 beads. Let's go like this. I'm picking color to differentiate it since it's beginners friendly. To differentiate it, some people said I should do beginners friendly for them, so since this class is a beginners friendly, I'm picking colors to differentiate it, so that even if you don't know how to do it, you'll be looking at the colors, then you know how to do it. You're looking at the colors. Once you look at the colors, it will give you an idea on how to go about it. Look at it. We have 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. Then now we are going to pick 3 beads and make a roll of 4. 1, 2, 3. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is number how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, we number it. Then number 7. Number 7, if you look at our beginners friendly diagram, number 7 we have 3 beads, so we are picking 2 beads now with fishing line by our right. We are picking 2 beads. We are picking 2 beads with fishing line by our right. Put inside 1 bead, then cross it with 1 bead like this. See how it is. Let me show you how the work is. Look at it. See how it is. See how it is. It's turning. Then if you look at our diagram friendly number 8, we have 4 beads. Look at it. 1, 2, then cross it with 1 bead. Then we have 4. A roll of 4. Create a roll of 4. Look at it. We create a roll of 4. Look at it. Create a roll of 4. See how our work is going. Look at it. See it. Then in number 9, we have how many beads? We have